Hi everyone, this is Premila, and in this video, I'm going to share my Nomio site. Along with that, I'm going to share my forum details too. And this is the my Nomio site, and I'm in the user admin mode. Now I'm going to site home, where I have created my course as a project management because the paper that I was dealing for one of the MBA students during this odd semester is project management. So I have chosen that. And here in this, you can see the various things I have posted. That this column comes under the announcements, where the students will be getting the announcements of each and every activity that I'm going to post, and they will also get some kind of acknowledgements regarding what is the information that I have posted. Is it an assignment, or is it an interactive video, or am I going to give them any, assign them any kind of work like quizzes, assignments, or any study material that I'm going to publish in this Moodle site. All those things can be known to students with the help of this announcements. And I have created an H5P video for my students on the topic of project life cycle. Here is my forum, and the forum discussion also I have just mentioned that as of PLC, because I have created the forum completely based on the project life cycle, because it is a major concepts in the first unit of project management. Here I have didn't added any students here, so you can see nobody has any attempted any kind of things. So this is my H5P video, and I have posted some of the questions here in the H5P video. And this for in this forum I have created that they want to give a summary of all this. By watching this video, they want to give a summary regarding the content that I have posted through this video. They need to write some kind of a handwritten or a PDF documented text, and they need to post it in this forum. This is the thing I have done for this under this forum criteria.